So guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter. We are teaching you guys how to make money. Today I'm going to show you this airdrop. Okay, this is free airdrop. The name of this coin or this airdrop is Sushiswap. You can see it here. So guys, I got this information concerning this airdrop. Okay, and I'm going to take you through so that you understand how you can make money with this airdrop. Okay, the name of it, you can see it here, and you can click on this link so that you can join the booth. Okay, and claim your own right now. Okay, the reward they are giving is 6,000 sushi. Okay, that's the reward they are giving on the it worth 3,000 USD. Okay, US dollar. That's 3,000 US dollar. So guys, I want you guys to make money with this particular. I'm pinning it right now so that you can rush now and make money with this. And this is going to end by tomorrow. Okay, it's going to end by tomorrow. So I don't got this info on time. That's why I'm showing you right now. You can see the time that I'm recording this. So how do you claim this airdrop? It's very simple. So what you need to do is to click on this place you can see here. So once you click on that link, it will bring you to this place. You can see what can these boots do. Airdrop reward 6,000 sushi equals to 3,000. You can see $3,000. Referral reward is 1,000 sushi, which is 500. Okay, $500. So I click on start. Okay, I click on start. So once I click on start, you can see what they said. We are invited by user Great Mind. You can see it here. So hello, welcome to Sushiswap Airdrop booth. Sushiswap market price is one sushi equals to $0.5. You can see it here. Airdrop reward is 6,000 sushi. Okay, and another beauty of this is you are not going to pay any money for this by clicking or claiming this. So we are going to do everything together because I love showing you things the way it is. You can see the contract address. Okay, if I click on this place, I copy the contract address, and I'm going to show you how you can add it to your Trust wallet or any wallet at all. You can see that you can visit the coin market cap for you to see everything by yourself. Click on the next. So I click on the next. So you can see, please join our Telegram channel to access this booth. Join our channel. So if I click on this join right here, so if I click on join, you can see that they have 112.4 thousand subscribers. This is a huge. Okay, this is huge. So this is just to tell you that this is going to make a lot of people money. Don't play with airdrop. Don't play with airdrop. Okay, so I click on join. So you can see that I have joined. So I will go back and they will ask me, please submit your Telegram username. So I'm going to show you how you can see your Telegram username. So what you need to do is to click on this three line. So once you click on that three line, you are going to click on these settings. Okay, so once you click on settings, you can see that this is my username. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So once I'm back, I'm going to click on this again. Okay, so once I click on this, I'm going to go back and search for the coin again. So this is it. So once I click on this, I paste my username. You can see it here. So you put it like this and click next. So once you click next, you can see follow our advertiser Twitter page and retweet pinned post. Okay, you can go and follow them on Twitter and also retweet their advertiser page. Okay, so once you retweet it, you can come here and enter your name. Okay, like after doing that, I write Seraph, then I send. You can see that enter your Sushi Eric 20 address. So how do we do this? I'm going to go back. So this is the contract address. I copy the contract address. So I'm going to go to my Trust wallet. Okay, let me go to Trust wallet. So this is okay. I'm coming. Let me look for my Trust wallet. Okay, this is Trust wallet. So I'm going to show you how you can add this. Okay, so I enter my password. So after entering my password, I'm going to click on this three line. Okay, the way we normally do it. Then I paste that link. Okay, I paste that contract address here. So once I paste it, you can see that this is the coin. Okay, this is the coin. I'm going to click on this button. Once I click on this, it's going to make sure that it bring this logo here for you to know that it's real one. So you can see the address is Eric 20. So you can see it here. So what I'm going to do right now is to go back. So once I go back, I'm going to look for the coin because I have added it already. So you can see this is the coin. I click on this and I click on this place. You can see where I'm touching. So once I click on this place, I can copy that. Okay, once I copy it, I'll go back. So once I come back to this place, I'm going to enter what was the question. Okay, enter the Sushi Elite 20 address. So I'm going to enter it here and click on enter. Okay, so you can see that by becoming a partner of the channel, you get access to various updates about AP coin. Okay, airdrop. You can see another airdrop. I'm going to talk about this later. So submit your email address to get notified for every Sushi airdrop update. So I'm going to enter my email address. So I'm writing my email address 247@gmail.com. So I will click enter. So you can see that what they are saying here, congratulations done, you have just complete all the steps and have been rewarded with 6,000 sushi, which is equivalent to $3,000. You can see it here, and I'm going to claim this money tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is 15. Yes, tomorrow is 15. I'm going to get this money by tomorrow. So your balance is 6,000 sushi. Okay, you can see everything here. So guys, I want you to rush now. You can see you need a minimum of 5 persons referral to be qualified for withdrawal on October 15, 2023. Okay, so what you need right now is to copy your referral link here. So once you copy your referral link, you can share it with the group that you belong. Okay, so share it with the groups, and we are going to make this money together. You can see, let's just check about their pre-sale. You can see pre-sale is coming soon. This is new coin. Okay, and we are still at the good time to get this airdrop. Okay, like I always tell everybody that don't play with airdrop. Don't play with airdrop, no matter whether it's real or not. Don't play with airdrop, because airdrop have made a lot of people millionaire. Okay, so guys, you can see that once you click on withdrawal here, you can see what they say, that withdrawal will be open on the 15th of October 2023. Okay, which is tomorrow. I think yes, tomorrow is 15th of October. So you need to rush right now. I want you guys to rush right now. Share your link as many as possible. Like, I want us to make this money together. Okay, you can see that this is new account. Hurry up and refer your friends to earn more. This is free of charge. Okay, I don't see any reason that you are not going to tell your friend that, guys, see what I'm doing, you can use this link to do it. You can tell them how they can do this. Okay, it's very simple. No stress, nothing. Okay, even a child of 10 or 5 years can do this. Okay, so I want you guys to do it the way I ask you, or I instruct you to do that. So you can see that once I click on that balance, I got this message that it's going to open on 15th of October 2023. So I want you guys to hurry up now. Okay, so that you can queue in. This is their channel. Okay, you can always come here to their channel. You can always come here to their channel to get information. Okay, get information. Have you gotten a minimum of 5 referral? You can, okay, this is the question they're asking. 24 hours remaining for airdrop distribution to start. You need to refer at least 5 persons. You can see it here. Like I always show you guys how I'm doing things here, and if you follow me step by step, you are going to win when others start winning. Okay, so guys, see you at the top, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And guys, I want you guys to queue in so that we can make this money together. Because I love you, I'm going to be showing you legit way to make money through cryptocurrency and other ways to make money online. So see you at the top.